Hello friends, we are going to solve here some important questions of math which are usually asked in the board exams. Most expected questions, that is MQs. First question here, what is the distance between this and this coordinate? कमेंट करिए आप तब तक. इसका सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पर करो. Coordinates, let this coordinate as A, let this coordinate as B. Now formula for distance A and B is under root x2 minus x1, that is 12 minus 0 का whole square, plus by 2 minus by 1, that is 0 plus 5 का whole square. 12 minus 0, that is 144, plus 5 25 under root. This is 169, that is 169 is 13. Distance of AB is 13. Option 30, option A is correct. Now we are moving towards next question. Question if two is now second question here asking if 2 is a root of polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus k, then find the value of k. Here 2 is a root of this polynomial, then this root is satisfied here. Let's put this 2 here. For this equation, the value of x is 2. Now put the value of x is here, and then this equal to 0. 2 minus 3 x 2 plus k. 2 का square 2 4 8 minus 3 twice 6 plus k equals 0. Here 8 minus 6 2 plus k equals 0. K here, k plus 2 shifted here, that is minus 2. The value of k is minus 2, that is option A. Now next question here, for which k does x square plus 4x 4kx plus 4 equals 0 has equal roots. As you all know, for equal roots, the discriminant is equal to 0. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac equals 0. B square, that is a equal 1. Here b 4k c 4 b square 4k square minus 4 a here 1 c here 4 equals 0. 4k square, that is 16k square, minus 4 times 4 16 equals 0. 16 here plus 16k square equals 16 k square here, k square equals 16 upon 16. K square equals 1, that is k equals plus minus 1. Here option is here minus, that is right answer. B is the right answer. Now next question, the next question is here, if sine a equals 3 by 5 and a is an acute angle, then find the value of cos a. I forget option, sorry. Now sine a, as you all know, sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then make a triangle. This is 90 degree a b c. This is hypotenuse is 5. Perpendicular angle a, as you see here, angle a के सामने अगर हम देखेंगे BC is perpendicular is 3. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, h square equal perpendicular square plus base square AB. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, AB square is AB square. 25 इधर जाके शिफ्ट हो जाएगा ये -9 AB square. Here this is 16 AB. Here it is 4 plus minus. As you all know, the length can never be in negative terms. Then we take here as plus 4. This is base. Here perpendicular base. Perpendicular 3. Hypo 5. Perpendicular is 3. Base is 4. What is asking here? Cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Base here 4. Hypotenuse is 5. 4 by 5 is your answer. Option A is correct. Question next. The next question here. Calculate the SCF of 462 and 330. Now the SCF is highest common factor. Now check here. 462, 330. 462, 2. 2 twice, 2 ones, 2 ones. This is not cancel from 2. 3 7 yeah. 3 7 yeah. 7 1. Here. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 5 ja. 3 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 5 ja. 5 11. 11 ones. Now 462. 1 2 3 7 11. 2 3 7 11. 330. 2 3 5 11. 2 3 5 11. Here you can check here. 11 is the common from both. 3 is common from both. 2 is common from both. 2 times 6 into 11 here. That is 66. 66 is your answer. Option C is correct. Next question here. If ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has equal roots, then c equals option A, B, C, D. Minus. Now question is asking here, if ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has equal roots, then c equal. For equal roots, the discriminant is equals to 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac equals 0. B square here, b square minus 4, a here, a, c here, c. B square minus 4ac equals 0. Here minus 4ac. B square here shifted here. The sign is b minus b square. Minus signs cancel out. C here, separate c from 4a. C, that is b square. The 4 is shifted from here. 4a. C equals b square upon 4a. That is your option C. Now the question asking here, the ratio in which 4, 5 divides the line segment joining 2, 3 and 7, 8 is. The question is asking here ratio. Ratio is M1 ratio M2. Now let us draw a line. Let us these point as A and B. A is 2, 3. Let us this point as B. That is B 7, 8. This point is dividing these 2 points. Now this point is here. Let us this point is as P. P is 4, 5. Now according to section formula, the P point is 4, 5 is equal M1 x2 upon plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Here M2 x1 plus M2 by 1 plus M1 by 2 upon M1 plus M2. Now M1 is unknown here. M1 x2 is 7, that is 7 plus M2 unknown x1 here 2 upon M1 plus M2. Now equate here 4 as here. Equate abscissa 4 upon 1, 7 upon M1 plus M2. 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2. That is cross multiply 4m1 plus 4m2. Here 7m1 plus 2m2. 7m1 plus 2m2. Here 4m1 shifted here, that is minus 3m1. 2m2 shifted here, that is minus 2m2. The minus sign is cancelled out here, the minus sign. Now m1, this m2 is shifted here, m2. This this 2, this 3 shifted here. Now the ratio is 2 ratio 3. 2 ratio 3. The next question here. Now the question is asking here the pair of equation 21x minus 13y equals 10 and 3x plus 5y plus 1 equals has unique solution, exactly two solutions, no solutions, consistent. Now equation 1, 21x minus 13y, this minus 10, this 10 is shifted here, that is minus 10 equals 0. Here the value of a1 is 21, the value of b1 is 13, the value of c1 is minus 10. The second equation is 3x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. The value of here a2 is 3, b2 is 5, c2 is 1. Now the relation is a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. a1 by a2, 21 upon 3, 13 upon 5, minus 10 upon 1. This is 3, 7. This is, these are not equal to each other. That is a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2. This situation is, according to this situation, the solution is unique. Option is correct. Next question is, this is center. This is angle 50. This is O. This is join here. This is P. This is R. This is Q. Find angle P O. This question is asking about this angle, angle POQ, angle POQ. Now, as you all know, the perpendicular the tangent PR and the PO radius, perpendicular tangent is perpendicular upon radius and forms 90 degree. Now the angle PRPQ, angle RPQ plus angle QPO, angle QPO equals make 90 degree, because here RPQ, angle RPQ is 50 degree, angle QPO, let this angle as X. This is also X because the radius side opposite angles are equal, X 90 degree. Now 50x, X equals 90 minus 50, that is 40. Now then this angle is 40. When this angle is 40, then this is also as 40. Now in triangle QPO, let us apply angle sum property in triangle QPO. That is angle P, angle O, angle Q. Angle P, angle O, angle Q is equals 180 degree. Angle P is 40. plus angle O is unknown, angle Q is 40, that equals 180. This 40 makes 80 degree plus angle O 180. Angle O is 100 degree. This angle is 100 degree. This is asking here O angle. This is 100 degree. The last question of this session is this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. This is x plus 3. This is 3x plus 9. This is x. This is 3x plus 4. It is given that DE is parallel to BC. Now, the question is asking here, find the value of x. Now, according to Thales theorem, DE, it is given that DE is parallel to BC. According to Thales theorem, this ratio upon this ratio, this ratio upon this ratio. These two ratios are divided by this line in equal parts, in equal ratio, in equal lines. Now, AD upon DV is equals to AE upon EC. Now, right here, AD upon DV, AE upon EC. It is given that AD is x plus 3, DV is 3x plus 9, AE is x, EC is 3x plus 4. By cross multiplying x 3x, that is 3x square, x 4x, that is 4x, 3 this is 9x, 4 that is 12, x square, that is 3x square, x 9x. This 3x is this 3x, these are cancel out each other. This 4x, this 9x. This 4x is shifted here and 9x. 9 minus 4 is equals 5x. 5x. This 4 is cancelled out here. Now here is 9x plus 12. This 9x is here, then 5x minus 9x. This is minus 4x. This is 12. Now this x is here, that's 12 upon this 4, minus 4 is shifted here. This 4 thrice, x equals minus 3. my one question is from you. This is the SCF of 48 and 196 is option. This is your homework. You have to solve it at your home. Now, this lecture is, I hope this lecture is likes you. Now, thank you for your support. Let us see in next video. Take care. Bye bye.